Hello teacher, this is my presentation, A Big Decision You Have Made by Giovanni Rodriguez. What did it happen? In June 2014, together with a group of colleagues, we made the decision to create a union organization since we had identified with our company some unworthy working conditions and that required the attention of the company. However, we were clear that only through the union of the workers will have the ability to speak as equals before the administration. What did you feel disappointed with? Over time and with the success of our organization, but with the workers and with the company, the egoistic spirit and based purely on economic interest was disappointing. It was sometimes disappointing to see that some people, with making any effort, pretend to have better conditions than his peers with the company, only to consider that the union has the obligation to back them had cost. How this story finish? After many stepbacks and experiences during these 5 years, we have a leading organization in the trade union environment. Began perhaps the first two activist and collective work agreement that shoulders more than 400 workers with sustainable and economically responsible benefits with the company. Benefits based in a percentage of the company profits, profit that, if not guides, justifies the absence of the benefits for the workers that is in this way become jointly with the envoy. Thank you.